It's a haul video. What's up, back babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hey! My name's Rochelle and I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love all things 31 and what it stands for, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, ring that bell, ding, so you don't miss another video. In this video, we're gonna be doing a haul. Now, you girls love these haul videos, and I love showcasing some of the new prints and some of the new products that we've never seen on this channel before. So if you want to know about all the fun things that are happening in this channel and about all the things that are currently happening in May for 31, stay to the very end of the unboxing, and I'll for sure fill you in on all the information. Again, the purpose of these haul videos is for you girls to shop this amazing spring summer 2021 catalog. It is doing so well. You girls are just loving everything in here that things are literally flying off the shelf. And guess what? There is more to come, okay? There is going to be more information on that, so stay tuned. So let's go ahead and see what is the first product that I'm going to be grabbing. It is a tried and true product. I haven't seen this on this channel yet, but I know this is one of your favorites because guess what? It's been in our catalogs for years. This is the Around the Clock Thermal. If you love a good size, small, maybe medium sized thermal, this is it for you. It is in our #1 print, which is the charcoal crosshatch, okay? I love this. I love the shape of this thermal because it's very neutral, okay? Both men and women love it. This is the #1 print. Again, this is that charcoal crosshatch. Yes, you can always personalize this. If you were to personalize it, it would go right here on the front. So let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and reshape this so you girls can actually see and appreciate all of its awesomeness. So it's a rectangular size pouch. There you go. I know you are loving it. You can hold it like arm candy, where you can walk with a purpose with it, or you can wear it as a crossbody. Again, this is an adjustable strap and they do come off. So if the crossbody is not your thing and you like wearing this, carrying it by hand, or want to stick it in another tote, you totally can, okay? I love that it has a front pocket right here. So if you need to stick things that don't need to be in the thermal, feel free to use this space all right here, okay? And it's a pretty decent size. Here is a mini zipper pouch. You could totally fit that in there, okay? See how that fits nicely? Same with just a little taller, all right? On the inside, this is where all the thermal is, okay? Because it's a lunchbox thermal. One thing that I love about this, look at this netting. Okay, I love if you want to separate things. Again, I've seen people use this for utensils. I've seen people use this for dressings. Let us know in the comments what you would use this net for. A good size pocket. I love it's not the entire pocket, but so you can actually, not in the entire flap, I was saying, so that you can actually reach in here and grab things easily. And on the inside, you do have that silver lining right there, all right? So a good size thermal with a ton of action that can fit in here, okay? Let's see what's next. You guys are going to love this one. Okay, I grabbed this tote because it was on low inventory, not knowing if this was going to come back, and it is the Everyday Essentials tote in the tie-dye stars. Now, if you have been missing out this month, 31 has launched a few new products and some new prints, and this is one of them, okay? There's a total of 6, and we're calling the Summer Skies print. This is the tie-dye stars, and they also have something called Gnome of the Brave. Super cute. So I wanted to see this up close and personal. This is our essential storage tote, which is our standard tote. 121 ways to use this, okay? I love the contrasting stripes. Oh my God, how sharp is that? Now the metallic, oh, can you see that bling, girl? Can you see it? Yes, it is reflecting off the light. So for you ladies who were curious if this was like part of the print or if that was like a metallic sheen to it, okay, now you can see up and close and personal. I hope you totally can appreciate the stars on this. Yes, you could totally personalize this and it would go right on one of these sides, all right? How cute is this? I actually got this because this will be actually June's giveaway. I'm gonna do a goodie bag. You girls love the goodie bags. So this will be Rockstar's June giveaway when you shop with me next month, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill some stuff with it so that by coming July, you are 4th of July ready. Again, these prints is currently available for a limited time. I am going to link a video up above about all the 411 about this Summer Skies collection. All right, now you girls know, all day, everyday customer special. When you spend $50, you get something for 50% off. So let's see what my local bag babe got for 50% off. And you guessed it, a large utility tote. Now, I've seen this print in person before on the channel. I've never seen it in the large utility tote. And girls, this print is growing on me, especially with the great ways that you girls are showcasing it with the other colorful prints. Like, for instance, the Dancing Dash or the Lemongrass. 31 has done a great job in picking prints that would go together, especially that peach print. Oh my gosh, you girls, you are loving that peach print, and it goes well with the Morning Floral. Large utility tote, 101 ways to use this. You can never have too much. Go ahead and comment down below how many you have. I can literally see a few, like, in here. And I have no shame, no judgment. We are all bike babes here, okay? We love our utility totes. So I love, again, the contrasting stripes. Oh God, I love the detail. You got your peaches, you got your yellows, you got your greens, you got your light greens. This is white for you girls who want to know, like, it's a true white. You got a little bit of like a brown, gray. Not too sure what I would call that one, but yeah, more brown to it. And then the bottom here is green, okay? The Morning Floral Large Utility Tote. Oh, now ladies, if you loved anything you seen or anything back here that you've been catching your eye, don't forget to get in on my monthly mystery hostess. Link is down below. Now, I know we're in May, but May is all wrapped up. Okay, so that bag babe scored 1,000+ party. You girls know I always try to reach for a $500 party, because that way you double on the rewards and you get 2 of the hostess exclusives just for you. Guess what? I've already unlocked June's link. It's down below. If you shop that link by the following Saturday, not this Saturday, you'll get double entries into June's reward. I know it's going to be a big one because we are launching a new summer guide that officially goes off on June 1st until July. This is only good for 2 months. If you want a summer digital guide, contact me down below or comment me, ME, and I will reach out to you. I will reply to your message and just make sure that we can connect offline, and I will totally give you the 411. If you're shopping with me in May, don't forget, you'll be getting in on winning something from this awesome catalog. I'll be announcing that winner during the first week of June. How exciting is that? You'll go ahead and get to pick out which prints you want out of this. And that's so fun! If you haven't yet booked your summer fun party, please reach out to your consultant or reach out to me. I am filling up my calendars really fast, and I know you girls will have a ton of fun things that are planned for this upcoming summer season. So make sure you are well equipped with all the sportiness and the awesomeness and cuteness what's in this catalog, okay? And again, now, if you love everything, love 31 and what it stands for, don't forget to come in and join all the perks of 31 for Money Back May, where I can help you earn your kit for free in the month of May. Now, if Money Back May is not your thing, which is okay, there is a fun June incentive that's beginning coming out. Stay tuned. I will be talking more about that. Yes, there's going to be a June opportunity incentive for you ladies who are thinking about it. Now, again, we're looking for leaders and consultants alike. Reach out to me and we can talk. I have a 30-day game plan just for you all lined up. So when you join, we're going to get off and get you those rewards, all right? Join me on Saturday during Bag Babe TV, where you get to join me live and the other Bag Babes of this awesome community. We're going to be taking a look at this catalog. I know you're excited. Make that wish list if you have a long wish list. I'm telling you, party of one, that's a way to do it. Or let's do an official party. We are going to be talking about this. You're going to be sharing your excitement, feeling the excitement, because I know I'm excited. If you don't know me, I'm a summer baby. I'm a summer print kind of girl. So these prints are totally calling my name. So consider subscribing if you love the vibe in this tribe. Check out these awesome playlists that I have for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!